Yo, it's crazy, crazy, crazy. Just moved into the new San Diego crib. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Let me turn this music down a little bit. Crazy. The fact that I moved all the way across the country from East Coast, Pennsylvania area, all the way to SD. Look at this view. It's crazy. I'm gonna pull up here. Insane views. It's a little gloomy today, but it's crazy. There's the harbor here. They got concerts going on all the way up. It's insane. Pool's all the way down there. Pool's all the way down there. Great, like just insane. The move that was made just to get here was incredible. But let me pull back up. The lighting is probably not the best. Let me come back inside. But the crib itself, crazy. Look at this. Crazy. I got the gunna popping. View's crazy. Table. Got the nice kitchen. Own spot. Nuts. 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 I just caught the iMac today. We're gonna make some M's. I'm gonna open up this iMac. Let me get this spot up, bro. Open up this iMac. Just caught this right here. Was like, something light. I have a Mac at home, back at my other place, hometown. But I was like, this Mac right here, claiming right now, this Mac is going to make me millions of dollars in the span of probably 3 to 5 months. This Mac is gonna change my life and the things that we're about to launch on this Mac. Let's go ahead and open it up. It's a new one, right? The M3. I just picked it up real quick at the store. See how it is. Pop it open. Hello, hello. Hello, hello. Let's see what's up. All right, what do we got here? Hello. I'm gonna open this up. God damn. Oh, this is actually, what is this? Oh, this is it. Wow. So this is actually it. Pops out. Let me pull up real quick. Pop it back out. All right. So let's open this thing. Put it back open. Boxes. Crazy. Like I'm telling you, I don't even know if I'm gonna. You can't even see my face. I don't even know if I'm gonna release this video. This is just for me documenting my process. Who knows? But this thing's crazy light. I mean, like I said, it's not really about me showing off the computer. It's me documenting what's gonna happen prior on this computer. Like I said, let's open this up. Boom, boom. See the screen. Hello. Hello, millions. Hello, millions. Right? Hello, millions. That's all you need to know. But guys, super pumped. Moved into the new crib in San Diego. And we're gonna make M's. Simple as that.
How many millions did I make this year? Maybe 12. All I need's a couple weeks to make it 13. Me, I can stay in touch and still be out of your reach.